Hey everyone, and welcome! Have you ever looked at the world around you and wondered what it really takes to build a career in technology? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into a fantastic roadmap for that journey. The Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology curriculum from Anna University. We're going to see exactly how this program is built to turn today's students into the innovators who are literally going to shape our digital world.
So, let's start with a big question. What does it actually take to build the world of tomorrow? You know, it's not just one thing. It's this incredible mix of hardcore technical skills, a really solid base of knowledge, and of course, that creative spark, that vision. And the curriculum we're about to explore is engineered from the ground up to give you exactly that. I want you to think of this B.Tech program not just as, a degree you get after 4 years. Think of it more like a structured adventure. It's designed to hand you the essential tools and then push you to develop the kind of advanced, creative thinking you need to go out there and solve real, complex problems.
And here's the key thing to get. This isn't just a random list of classes you have to check off. Nope. Every single subject, every lab, every project is a very deliberate step on a roadmap that's designed to lead you straight to a successful career as an IT professional that companies are actively looking for.
You know, every amazing structure, every great career, it all starts with a rock-solid foundation. And that's exactly what the first year of this program is all about. Building your essential toolkit. This is where you'll get those fundamental skills in science, math, and communication that absolutely everything else is going to be built on.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Just look at this mix. It shows you just how balanced the approach is. You're not just buried in code. You're learning the language of engineering with applied calculus. You're sharpening your ability to communicate with English essentials. And you're even building up those crucial life skills that make you a great team member. And of course, you're diving right into programming with both C and Python. It is such a powerful combination to get you started on the right foot.
And this is where the theory hits the real world. Right from your very first semester, you're in the makerspace. This isn't about reading from a textbook. It's about getting your hands dirty. It's about building things. This is where you might create your first little robot, or maybe design and 3D print a custom part. It is your very first shot at taking an idea that's just in your head and making it real, something you can actually hold. How cool is that?
Okay, so you've built that solid foundation. Now we move into the middle years, and this is where you start to acquire your superpowers. I'm serious. These are the core skills, the high-impact abilities that are going to define what you can do and open up so many doors to incredible career paths.
First up, database management systems. Think about it. Every time you shop online, use a social media app, or stream a movie, you're interacting with a massive database. This is where you learn the art of organizing all that information. You'll get the skills to build and manage the systems that literally run our digital world.
Next, computer networks. Ever wonder how an email gets from here to Australia in a split second? This is where you find out. You get to peel back the curtain on the internet itself, learning how data travels around the globe. It's like learning the secrets of the digital highway system that connects all of us.
Then you get to the very heart of the machine, operating systems. This is the core software, the soul of the computer, that makes everything else possible. Whether it's Windows, Linux, Android, you'll get this deep, fundamental understanding of how they work, how they manage everything, and let you run all your favorite apps.
And then, machine learning. This is your ticket to the amazing world of artificial intelligence. This is where you learn to create systems that can actually learn from data, see patterns, and make predictions all on their own. We're talking about the tech behind everything from Netflix recommendations to self-driving cars. This is the future, and you'll be right at the cutting edge.
Okay, now this is where things get really, really cool. Once you've mastered those core skills, you don't just keep going on one track. You get to specialize. You get to follow your passion. This is your moment to become a real expert in the part of IT that gets you the most excited.
Just take a look at these streams. You've got so many incredible options. So if you're fascinated by the creative power of generative AI, there's a path for that. If you want to be on the front lines defending against cyber attacks, you can dive into cybersecurity. Or maybe you want to build a future of smart homes and cities with the Internet of Things. Whatever it is, you get to choose your own adventure.
So you've got this strong foundation. You've picked your passion and developed these amazing specialized skills. But how do you bridge that gap between the classroom and an actual career? Well, this program has a super clear pathway designed to do exactly that, to turn what you learn into real, valuable experience.
It's like a step-by-step climb to becoming a pro. You start by making your own creations in the makerspace. Then you level up. You start taking apart existing products to figure out how they work and how you can make them even better.
It all builds up to a huge capstone design project, your masterpiece, and a professional internship, which means you'll have real industry experience on your resume before you even toss your graduation cap.
You know, at the end of this whole journey, it's not really about the piece of paper you get. I mean, the degree is great, but what really matters is what you can do. It's about the skills you have, the problems you can now solve, and the incredible impact you're ready to make.
And this program is designed to make sure you walk away with a powerhouse set of abilities. You won't just be someone who can code, you'll be a true problem solver, someone who can design innovative and sustainable solutions. You'll also be a great communicator, an awesome team player, and an ethical professional who's ready for a lifetime of learning in this field that's always changing.
And honestly, this one sentence right here, it just sums up the whole philosophy. It's not just about building cool tech for the sake of it. It's about building a better future, creating things that help society and drive industries forward. It's about having a real purpose.
So the path is laid out, the tools are waiting for you, and the future, well, it's ready to be built. This program is your launch pad. The only real question left is, what are you going to create?